How's it going, folks? You know, normally I don't host these things, but today I feel the need. Um, you watched the, if you've watched the house restoration blogs, I don't even care. It's one of those neo-pop words that I can't stand anyway, but if you've been watching them, you've seen it go from this to this. And I'm pretty impressed with myself, if I do say so. But let's face it, it's kind of bland. Nothing to it. So I went to Walmart today to kind of spice it up a little bit. My camera sucks. I got these. I got 3 of these, or 4 of these, and I'm going to put a nifty little tree pattern on Mo's wall today. So I'm going to break out the paints and brushes, and I'm going to put a tree pattern over there. Hope you enjoy the show. let me get out of the way, and I'll let you take a look at it for 5 or 10 seconds. Well, that's it, except for right here. There's a little dab that went wrong. And Foggy is going to take care of these because I don't think I could get off the ground again. So, I think it looks good.
Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy, It's so icy, 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 엄마네 combination, 새로운 가간지 머리 swag, 남들이 잘 때도 쓸어담지, breaking good, life is good, 한동안 잊었어 이 느낌을, for better life, for better love, 이제는 나도 두 배 벌어, I don't give a fuck, who should give a fuck, 요즘 애들이 병신놀이 하는 거, no one give a fuck, take care of a house, 이러다만 다 나이 먹었어, 후회하지 않아 나요, let's be straight, enemies, match for technique, cardio, terminate, 좁아 아마 좋은 새끼들 니네 주제를 알아매요, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been sorbing, make it trendy, we look sexy, here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been sorbing, make it trendy, we look sexy. 필요해도 많은 시간 살 돈이 섣불리 시작해서 이제 바쁘니 랩 스타일 비슷해 내 스타일 비슷해 고마워 네 관심은 빠순이 나중에 엮는 매일에는 정중히 인사드려 볼 일 없어 우린 pardon me 윗고기 마시기 전에 차린 정신 도배락에 미쳐버린 뒤 도전들 타이밍 ball like a launcher rim get the shotgun free throw 나는 몸만 하면 그때 벌고 변한 건 없어 don't like a full bro 좀 달라 보여 그거 벗겨진 색안경 눈탱이였던 놈 이제 벌어들어 one currency 바꿔 cash rules everything around me 유명세는 너 나가자 fuck that love making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been sorbing, make it trendy, we look sexy, here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been sorbing, make it trendy, we look sexy,
Well, what do you think, folks? It's not perfect, but it's a damn sight better than it was. And Mo now has some places to put her stuff. So I'm going to put the face plates back on, and I'm done for the night. It's been a hell of a day. But I had a good time, and I hope Mo enjoys it. Also, these two panels right here on the door, Foggy's going to take care of those because I'm too old and fat to get that low anymore. Should have known better than to try it earlier. So, hope you guys enjoyed the show. Have a beautiful day. Take care of each other. Be safe.